Okay, we're going to take a left on Alcan here. And you can see that this pole is going to be installed because this one snapped like a twig. And they're waving us through. Thank you. All these poles have broken or are leaning like that one. But the others have basically snapped like toothpicks. Now they're drilling a hole for the new pole over here. You can see that this is very, very bad. Devastation here is tremendous. Trees down everywhere, branches everywhere. That's a row of trees that's behind the home across from Linda's place. They've all snapped. You can see that even the trees in front of the yard, in the front yard of the house across the street are broken. And everything's just basically broken. All right, we're gonna head down Country Club Drive to Kolinski, and then we're gonna go Kolinski to 31. But the devastation here is just so incredible. Look at this. To Kolinski and go this way. All right, this is Kolinski. This is the beginning of it. You can see the pole is down right there. And this is what it looks like when they snap. And I mean, it just broke like a toothpick. And the lines are on the ground. This one looks like it broke in three places. This one is still standing. All the weight on that birch just blew it down. Another telephone pole snapped. Wires on the ground. Taking trees down and grinding them up, I see. All right, let's see if we can get through here safely.